YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. And in this video, I just want to talk about the new feature from Tiblio. But first, if this is your first time watching my videos, please make sure that you click that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel. It just brings more good people, more good vibes and energy to what we have going on in the channel. So please make sure you do that. Also, if you're not already, please make sure that you subscribe and click that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video for you guys. So if you've been following these videos, we recently talked about Tiblio's amazing picks for credit spreads. So they do offer picks for credit spreads, and that's what we've been using. So if you guys signed up with my link, you probably already know about that. But Tiblio has just come out with their bullish action screener. So this screener will basically show you where the price action is happening in two different ways. One, by finding call options with an unusually high volume over the past 20 days. So basically over the past couple of weeks, their average might be 7 times higher than what it would normally be as far as their call volumes. Second, by finding a large amount of buy orders on the ask for these particular option calls. So you're having a lot of buys on the ask, meaning that people are paying the highest prices to get into these trades. Okay, so this goes into our ask and bid, and this by itself is a strong bullish indicator. Briefly, we're going to talk about level 2 market data, but level 2 is, basically just order book information for a stock, also known as market depth. So with level 2 data, you can see all the orders in the market to buy and sell shares in a company. It's also going to show you the number of shares that each person wants, what price they want, and when they place their order. Those are all things that you're going to get with level 2 market data. They do offer that in Webull and pretty much everything. So just make sure you set up your account for level 2 market data so that you can check out those. The bid price represents the maximum price that a buyer is willing to pay for a share of a stock or whatever security, so ETF, whatever. The ask price represents the minimum or the lowest price that a seller is willing to take for that same stock. We all know basically a trade or a transaction is occurring after the buyer and the seller agree on a price for that stock, which is usually not going to be higher than the bid and no lower than the ask. So when the bid volume is higher than the ask volume, the selling is strong. But when the ask volume is higher than the bid, the volume is stronger and the price is more likely to move up. So just in general, if you're looking at market 2 data, or the volume is higher on the ask than the bid, then that basically just means people are paying more for it, and it's an indicator that the stock is moving up in value. But basically that was just a little bit of information, and I want to go ahead and get into some things. So we are on the screen here, so I'm gonna have my cell phone, and then so we have our phone here, and right now I'm just showing you their new option screener. So this is called the Bullish Action Screener, and basically it's going to give you results. It updates very frequently throughout the day, like every 5 minutes, and it's just going to show you these symbols. It's going to show you stocks that are have strong bullish option trading activity, buying volume. So let's go ahead and let's get into the phone, and we're going to look at this first one, PSEC. And so we can just go down and you can look at it. This is going to show you your order book or your level 2 data. And it's showing you right here that your average daily call volume is about 800, but right now it's a lot higher than that. And so we have right here, it looks like it's in a pretty good uptrend. Let's just try this next one. Let's try SPPI. This is the Spectrum. Okay, yeah, this one is definitely doing something. So let's just go in and let's look at some of the options. So this is your option screen here. It's showing you the strike price. We have our in the money and out of the money. So they're telling us to look for in the money call options closest to 30 days. So that's why I'm here on the 31 day. And I guess this $4 one would be the closest to at the money because the stock price is currently at $4. So we can look at that. The delta is decent, 0.5, gamma is cute, theta is low, and it's really inexpensive to get into. Yeah, so it was pretty close to that one. Let me see. Let's check and see another one. I really just kind of want to go down this list for you guys. So let's just see this SKX. This one I'm not liking too much. I really just kind of like to go for an uptrend. this kind of looks like it's dropping a little bit to me. Now it may reverse, it may have a reversal, but just right now looking at it, this wouldn't be one that I would go for, simply for the fact that it's dropping and I don't have time. So let's go back to one of the other ones, and we can try our SPPI. And this one, it's not in a huge uptrend, but it is slightly trending right now. We're hoping that we may go back to a previous high point. So I'm seeing here, I have this for, I'm going to click on that. This is going to be our option value screen. So this stock chart is mainly just for your option. I'm gonna click it. Here you can do a limit order on your option, or you can do a market order. I briefly talked about that in another video, but we can go more into that. But yeah, so it's looking like it's about bid between 0.45 and 0.50. I really just want to go ahead and get this to go through, so I'm gonna do market order because I just don't care right now. I just want to get this to go through for y'all right now. I don't care. So I'm gonna do a market order, and let's. Okay, it won't let me do a market order. That's fine. She won't let me be great. I'll go ahead and do a limit, and I'm still gonna do it at the 0.50 because I want to go ahead and get this going. So, boom. I believe it was filled. Yeah, it was filled instantly. Okay, it looks like it dropped a little bit. It did drop, you know, a couple of dollars, but that is okay. That does not bother me, because like I said, I like to look at stocks overall that are in an uptrend. So I will be holding on to this for a couple of days, and this is in the beginning of the day through Tiblio for these bullish call action options. So yeah. Also for me, I like to click down here, do not exercise at expiration. So I don't know, I just want to make sure it doesn't go ahead and buy those shares for me if I do forget to get out by expiration, which I never usually do. But yeah, the stock, I mean, is shooting up. Look at that uptrend this morning. Yes, it's doing great. So Tiblio is definitely on some time with this one, because like I said, you see it had a previous support point, and it just hit that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just hop into Robinhood really quickly, and I want to show you guys how to look up a couple on Robinhood. I don't want to be biased to Webull. So this is Max R, and if you see recently, what is this? Yeah, MAXR. It has an average daily volume of around 2,550. So right now it's huge. Okay, let's check another one. Let's look at another one. Ooh, yeah, that one dropped $1 today. Let's look at it over a week. Okay, downtrend. No thanks. Okay, let's go back to. Let's see. Let's look at another one. ITP, OMER. What you doing, girl? CRNT. Let's see what she's talking about. Okay, it's decent. I mean, it's definitely had some highs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get into this one. I probably should have gone to the other one, but okay, we're gonna pick the 30-day. I hope you guys can see me. We're gonna pick on the 30-day, and I'm gonna pick the strike price that's closest to at the money. So the 6 open interest is high, and yeah, open interest is high, volume is high, delta is great, gamma is good, theta is fairly low. So this would be something that I would be interested in getting into, especially if it's in an uptrend. So click over here. I'm gonna do a long call. I'm just gonna pick one, and I really don't care about the price. I really just want this to go through. So I'll pay top dollar for y'all. You already know I got you. Just so I can get this to go through, or maybe a little lower. I'll do 220. All right, I'm not even gonna front. I'm gonna do 220. Okay, boom, went through instantly. So when you see your option is filled, that means that it did get picked up. So this is in my portfolio now. So I'm just gonna hold on to this for the time being. Okay, ooh. Okay, it dropped a little bit. It dropped a little bit. So this is in the beginning of the day. And so I really just want to give you guys, let me take this off. I don't need this anymore. I just want to give you guys an update of what my portfolio looks like now for both of them. So this is by next day. Let's just fast forward it to the next day. Okay, so 24 hours, not a full 24 hours, but the next trading day. And okay, so this one, it hasn't been doing me too well. So I have lost $10 on this CRMT, but that's okay because we can hold on to it for a little bit. It's in an uptrend, so we'll see if we have better action over the next couple of days. If not, we'll just get out of it. And let's go back over to our Webull. What? Oh, okay. Yeah, so for our Webull one, it's up $7.50. And that's crazy because this one was actually cheaper. The other one was about $220. This one was $50. So, I mean, hey, it just kind of shows you a little bit of the differences between what you can do with it. But I really love it, and I really like Tiblio's. I just really like what Tiblio has going, because I'll just show you this real quick. I mean, this is all from Tiblio. Credit spread open right now with Netflix, and I have a couple of call options from the Tiblio screener, and you know, some of my own. So I really just appreciate what Tiblio has going on. And you know, of course you can do your own research with this. So you're gonna go through the list that Tiblio has to offer for you, and then just go through and look at the stock chart, pick which one looks best in your opinion, and then just go from there. So this is really going to help to answer the question of which call options should I pick, and so what. So if you're new and you're starting out with options and you kind of want to get into it, then I feel like this is going to be great for you. I know a lot of people are telling me that they got into IML scams and expensive Discord and Facebook groups that provide option picks, but those groups are really expensive. Some of those groups, I've seen that they have monthly prices of $50 to $100. It's just a lot. And I've already invested money in Tiblio to do the credit spread. So if now they're offering, you know, just regular calls, then that's even better. Thank you for offering this, Tiblio. Tiblio is really, I'm really liking Tiblio. So, I mean, Tiblio costs less than a tank of gas. It's $24.99 a month. It's really a no-brainer to even try this out if you're interested in starting option trading. And for the time being, I believe that this feature is only available for those of you who signed up with my affiliate link. So, I mean, you know, we exclusive, y'all. What's poppin'? So make sure that you sign up with my affiliate link down below so that you get in. You're gonna get a discount on your first month. I think it's $19. And then after that, it's gonna go to the $24.99. But yeah, go ahead and sign up with your girl. Check these out, and yeah, let me know how you're doing. But with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Thank you guys so much. If you found any value in this video, please make sure that you click that thumbs up button. It really helps. Also, make sure that you subscribe and click that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video for you guys. Yeah, that's Black Girl Stocks, and I'll catch you on the next video. All right.